Hello, everyone. I moved to Finland 7 years ago after I got married and changed from this to this and then to this. Moving to a new country led to lifestyle changes. Being in a new country was definitely tough in the beginning, but then life became smoother and better, and now lovable. I would like to dedicate all my videos to all the good people in the world. If you have a heart that feels and a brain that thinks, the world might treat you harsh, but against all odds, hope and faith from within you can help to bring a change. So start loving yourself and explore yourself with me and join the journey. And let's become successful. Together, we can make it happen.